Hello everyone, we are Team Fresh Words. I am Neha, I am Dhrithi, and we are studying in class 9, Excel Public School, Kurkali, Mysore. The theme we have chosen is sustainability.
In India, street vendors play a vital role in serving fresh fruits and vegetables to millions of people every day. But for many of these vendors, food spoilage due to inadequate storage methods is a constant challenge leading to significant food wastage.
In 2022 to 23, over 74 million tons of food were lost in India alone, and street vendors are hit hardest by this issue. Without reliable storage methods, vendors lose 10% or more of their produce every day, resulting in wasted resources and lost income.
After surveying street vendors, we found overwhelming support for the solution. 80% of the vendors expressed interest in using CelluGuard, seeing it as a practical and affordable way to improve their daily operations.
Introducing CelluGuard, a sustainable, cost effective solution to prevent food spoilage and reduce waste. CelluGuard is a storage box made from biodegradable cellulose and okra mucilage, designed specifically to keep fruits and vegetables fresh for longer.
We use plant based cellulose extracted from leaves and okra mucilage to create a natural antimicrobial container. The cellulose acts as an insulator, while okra's natural properties help reduce microbial contamination, extending the shelf life of produce.
CelluGuard's design maintains a cooler, stable internal temperature even as external temperatures fluctuate, preventing spoilage caused by heat and humidity. This helps street vendors keep their produce fresh throughout the day, reducing waste and increasing their income.
If selected, we would further enhance convenience by exploring solar powered features that could help vendors charge mobile devices or power small fans, making it even more beneficial.
CelluGuard is more than a storage box. It's a leap towards sustainability. By reducing plastic use, minimizing food wastage, and lowering vendors' expenses, it offers practical benefits while promoting environmental well being.
Join us in supporting sustainable solutions for street vendors and a greener future. CelluGuard, where sustainability meets innovation.
On this project, we worked together on extracting cellulose and okra glue. We also worked together to build the box.
We also worked on the research document and video script for our project.